So here's a common problem you find when testing audio speakers. Now this particular one, JBL speaker, it's quite old, all plastic construction. You've got some terminal points there with some screws, so you might be able to get an earth off of that. You've got your IEC point over here. All this fascia here, this fascia here, this fascia down here, this fascia here, it's all plastic. The only exposed metal parts are on those screws. And when I go to test for an earth, you can't get one. And it's a common problem with speakers like this on plastic construction with very little screws, or powder coated speakers. You can sometimes get an earth if you scratched off the powder coating, but you need to be very careful if you attempt to do that, because you're damaging the property. But I would normally expect to get an earth off of these, but I can't on this particular model. But that could be because of the design of the item, or it could be that the item is faulty and there's no earth. So sometimes like this, it stumps you a little bit. You have to decide for yourself what the best way forward is. I necessarily wouldn't fail an item like this, but I would try and dig a little deeper, try and look into maybe contact the manufacturer to see on this particular model if there's an instruction manual for this one, but not with this because it's quite old. Try looking it up online. There's the model number down there, just to see if you can get an earth off of it. But just keep trying. You may not get an earth off of the most obvious place. You might get an earth off of somewhere that you never thought you would. So I hope that helps you guys out.